What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing our Minecraft Tornado series. I recorded this video like 3 times already, but the FPS has been so bad. So we're gonna try to get it to work. See, look at the FPS. It's just so laggy. I have no idea why. My button won't even work. Okay. Oh, we're loading in the chunks. Hopefully it smooths out. We're back here with more Minecraft. Yay. Because that one tutorial video blew up. So we're gonna make more Minecraft videos. Hopefully you guys will enjoy them. Man, this might not be this might not be a good seed. Hold up, guys. 1 second here. While I go ahead, I'm gonna get a new seed real quick, and I'll show you what the seed is gonna be called. And then I'm gonna go ahead and stop recording for a minute. But one thing I would give myself is a weather radar to make it good. And it's not responding. Are you kidding me? Like, actually. There it goes. Alright, guys. Let me go delete that real quick. This one's mine. I'm doing alone. Alright, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do this real quick. Okay. This will be that. There's a seed. Okay. Let me go stop the recording real quick. Alright, see you guys here in a minute. Did it stop it? I think so. Oh, it did not. Yeah, okay, guys. I'm sorry about that. Here, we'll see you guys here in a minute. Hey, okay, so we're back. Got everything set up. Actually, I changed the seed from tornado to all caps tornado. Okay, that's a new seed. I spawned in that water right by this lava pit behind me. I spawned right in there. FPS is so bad. Spawned right in there. So, yeah. Whoa. Sorry about this FPS. I don't know why you changed to make it better. Is it just my render distance, I'm assuming? Let's turn that down. Okay. That should be better. Hopefully that fixes stuff. By the way it's looking though, it's not. See, look how laggy the pigs are. Hold on, let me move this real quick, guys. Okay, sorry about that. turn my resistance. Just turn it down. It's not good for this mod. So I have to turn it back up or else nothing will function correctly. Oh yeah, that's my dog in the background scratching. Okay, now you can see the clouds. That's how it's supposed to be. I have turned out all the settings in here. See? It's all turned down. Everything's set. So yeah. And we'll have to do with it. Oh, why is my character bobbing whenever you watch? I don't like that. Maybe I turn this stuff off, it'll run faster. Oh. Oh. Ate at the cave. Hold up. Never mind. It's fine. Okay, I'm just walking around right now, guys, trying to figure out why nothing's loading. Yeah, look at this FPS. Wind's blowing. Maybe once I get the world loaded, it won't be as laggy. This is not loading in. There it goes. Oh yeah, let me give myself some. Yeah, that does spawn, by the way. See here. Let's find it. This. And close it. There we go. Okay. Let's see if we got any storms coming. Or going. No, it don't look like we got anything. What's that for? So we just storm a lag. No, I'm fine. Holy moly. It might be a recording issue. Hold up. Give me a second. Let's go see if it's a recording issue. I don't think it is though. Yeah, there's nothing else I can do. What if I change it to 250? let me try something. Let's change it real way down low. Let's make our FPS horrible. And then let's make it good. Look how bad that FPS is. Now let's go and turn it up. And see if that'll help. It feels the same. Man, okay. Well, every time you just lag, it's a very interesting series. I did put it on peaceful too, so we don't die. Oh, the game has almost crashed. Holy moly. This is freaking... Yeah, I don't know what to say about this. Alright, well that will be episode 1, I guess. Let's just say that's episode 1. I'll try to resolve all these issues. I'll go try to find a better recording software or something. I don't know. Anyway, I'll push this video out. Episode 1. Get hyped for this. We're gonna fix this and make it the best. So yeah, more videos coming out soon. PlayStation and this computer. Please don't hate me for this slow thing. It's better than nothing, but I'll try to fix it all up. And yeah, I'll just be screwing around with it and trying to figure out what's wrong with it. So yeah, hopefully you guys are all fine. Let me know if you guys want a tutorial on how to get this mod so you guys can test it out, and I'll do that for you guys. It's not responding, it does that. But yeah, let's let everyone stay safe, stay happy. I'll catch you guys all next time. Peace.